So this is my whistle that I use for when I'm working with the dogs, because when they get too far away, they can't really hear you. So I'm just starting with the puppies on their recall whistles and their lie down whistles. So let's see how it works. So I'm just starting with the puppies on their recall whistles, and we're working on our lie down whistles. I found that they do a lot better with the whistles than they do voice commands. Sorry, my hair's a mess. Anyhow, so let's see. And how I usually train it is I say the word and then the whistle. You can do it either way. You can say the whistle and then the word, or do the whistle and then the word. Either way works fine. So, lie down. And then he'll associate that sound with the lie down. Good boy. So here's a great time. He's trotted the sheep. Here's a great time to practice our recall. Wow, what an opportunity. Here, here. Momo, here. Great job, buddy. Okay, we're going to try again. Good boy. Great job. So he's just laying there watching now. This is perfect. Can you walk up? Walk up. This is new. We haven't tried walk up, and they're a long ways away. The Pyrenees are out there. There's some birds in the tree way out there. Oh. Opal. I didn't even know she was there. Good walk up. Good. Here, here. Good boy. Let's walk up. Walk up. Good. Good boy. Here, here. Good.